You could do this. You could speak about it in your interviews. And you can say, hey, I took this great nationwide study and I found out that they actually miscategorize their ages. And if you look at these ages, you get completely different results. That is an amazing interview, right? You have just set yourself up for an amazing interview if you walk in and that's what you present, right? Or you put it in your writing sample, right? Some companies require a writing sample as part of the application. Make that your writing sample, right? And say, hey, this is the study I found. This is the modification I made. And these are the results that I found. That's great for an interview, right? You are setting yourself up for a pretty good interview if you can walk in like that, right? Okay, so great analytics project right off the bat, right? Page 1. Let me scroll down a little further. Something else caught my eye down here. What do I want to look at? Yeah. There's